So we're out on site today. Before beginning any work on site, make sure you've got all your safety gear on and all appropriate tools. Right now, we're about to run a string line to mark out where we're going to be digging our posts and keeping our fence straight. To do that, you want to put in a stake, a post or a pole at either end, run your string, pull it tight, and make sure you've got your level correct. Today we're installing 2.4 wide by 900 high panels. So right now we're going to get our tape measure and mark out two 2450 centers so that we know where to dig our posts. Just by using line marking paint on the ground, running your tape measure and following that same measurement the whole way along for the length of your fence. Once you've marked out your holes, you can begin digging using either a pole digger or an auger, depending on the site conditions. For a standard fence, you want to dig about 600 mil deep by about 150 wide before you begin to concrete your post in. In this part of the video, we're going to show you how to fix the next panel with a panel mount. Marking the exact same measurement from the top of the post down, we're going to fix our first panel mount to the post. Now's a good time to grab your panel mounts, slide them on the bottom rail. This is going to make it easier to install when we place the panel. Now carry your panel over, slide your top rail into your fixed panel mounts at the top of the post. You've got a little bit of wiggle room on your second post because you haven't concreted it in yet. Make sure your blocks are underneath it, slide it in, set your block again. And now your panel mounts are easy to fix off, and that's your second panel done. Use an impact driver and a tech screw, just fix off your bottom mount. As always, our final stage is to make sure our panels are level. Grab your level, make sure it's level, and then if you need to adjust the height before concreting the post, you can use a packer under your timber blocks to get the level right. A handy tip, to finish off the job, grab a tech screw and fix it to the bottom of the panel mount, nice and discreet to make sure there's no further movement in your panels. Our final step now is to clean down our post with any excess concrete. Either wipe it down with a rag and a bit of water, remove our string line, remove any blocks or spaces, and that's how we finish off our job. A handy tip, every couple of months you want to get a bit of light detergent and water and wash down your fence to maintain its warranty and keep it looking prestige. Now, as we remove our string line as one of our final steps, we just got to remember to make sure we put our caps in our post.